Random Amazon finds you didn't know you needed. If you love crispy bacon but hate the mess it makes, this pan is a must. The ridges hold each slice of bacon upright so the grease runs right off. I followed the cooking instructions on the back of my pack of bacon, and I had perfectly crispy bacon that wasn't cooked in grease. If you cook anything that makes a grease mess, you need hard oil. Use the provided scoop to sprinkle the hard oil all over hot grease. Within a few minutes, you'll see it start to melt. And in about 15 minutes, your grease goes from a liquid to a solid, giving